Morning, guys. This is our Three Wheels. It is March the 23rd. No, 24th. Alright guys, we are out on an adventure, going to see a covered bridge. It was a little warmer than what it was when we left the house, but it's kind of got down to 68, which I think it was 68 when we left the house, but I'm okay. There was a dog back there. Excuse me. But yeah, we're out going to see a covered bridge. Not exactly for sure where it's at, but yeah, trying to get caught up on my YouTubers. Yeah, last weekend it was the Blue Bike and Doyle and Mr. Mustache working in the shed, but we did get a ride in. Just ready for some warmer weather where we can get out and ride more, especially when I'm off. I mean, I work 4 days and then off 2 days, work 4 days, off 2 days. So I was off yesterday. Got in our little garden spot and cleaned it out, get ready to plant some vegetables. Love fresh vegetables. Tomatoes, cucumbers. I don't plant a lot, but I do plant tomatoes and cucumbers and peppers. We've just got like a little raised bed. Guys, I'm not exactly for sure where the covered bridge is at. I'm just, of course, following him. Evidently he looked it up. But yeah, we're going to see a covered bridge and something else I can't quite remember, but anyhow, I'm just enjoying the ride. Sun's starting to kind of peek out a little bit. Oh, there's some mountains. But we're fixing to come into Oxford, Anniston, Alabama. If I'm not mistaken, there is a one-lane bridge up here. bridge. That's what I thought. Guys, we are, excuse me, we are here. And no, you cannot drive across it. Too bad. Wish we could. But it's pretty. We just got through eating at a restaurant, Backwoods. It's on the lake. It was pretty good. So not for sure exactly where we're going now. Just a little place on the lake. I hate when I get a cramp in my hand that I'm doing my gas, because if you're going really good and then all of a sudden you get a cramp in your hand or it starts tingling, you gotta let off. I mean, or I do, where I can get my fingers moving. But I do. I hate when I get a cramp in my fingers and in my hand when we're going really, really good. And I do believe that we might be going by the Harley place, Harley store. Ooh. Hold up. My eye was itching. I had to scratch it. But yeah, I do. I really hate it. But yeah, we was I don't know. Lost my train of thought. Okay, we just stopped and got some oil. Gonna he's going to change his oil in his. We're heading to the house. I don't know, we might stop by the winery. Okay, we are getting close to the winery. I don't know if he's gonna go by and stop. We got this slow vehicle in front of us. But it has warmed up very nicely. It was like 68 when we left out this morning. Now it is showing 86. So backwards. There's our winery. It's real close to the house. Love it. And we are not going back. Maybe next time. I think he's ready to get home. Because our time is almost 4 o'clock. Because I still hadn't changed the time on my spider. Okay, don't like much being home, but I did want to say that my phone upgraded my camera, on my phone, so it looks different, weird. Still trying to get used to it, but I do want to say, had a wonderful day. Y'all give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, help me get my channel out there. I've got like 139 subscribers, which is not bad. Y'all just help me get my channel out there. Give me a thumbs up. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you would like some more of my adventures,